for a lift started about a year and a half ago, when climbing upstairs started becoming a little difficult for my grandparents and my parents as well. So we were looking for a very hassle-free lift without the need to do a lot of civil work and construction activities involved in the entire process. So in the meanwhile, what I started doing was I started looking out in the market to see what kind of lifts are available for my requirement. The foremost aspect when I was researching the kind of the home elevator was safety. So I always wanted to be, safety was the number one aspect in my research. So this is when I thought going for a hydraulic lift from Elite elevators made a lot more sense, because Elite elevators had a lot of safety features inbuilt into their lift. For example, an auto cutoff of power if it senses something is wrong, and the door closing mechanism, and the overall safety features added. I got everything of what I wanted in the Elite elevators, the elevator. The entire experience so far, from the time of the initial order to the delivery and to the unveiling of the lift, I think it's been a piece of cake with them. So they were always there to answer your calls and clear your doubts and stuff like that. But overall, I think it was a real pleasant experience with Elite elevators. It was a big task for my grandparents to climb the stairs. Just coming, they stay in the opposite house across the road. So whenever they want to visit us, or anybody wants to come to our house, whoever this thing, so it's so seamless now. All they have to do is just hop in, hop out, and life. Very, very happy that my grandmom, my granddad, everybody can come and visit us whenever they want to. It's just come, get out of the lift and come. So it was a little difficult earlier, because there was no way they could climb the stairs to a two-story or one-story house. So but now, ever since the lift is installed, I think at least on a regular basis, my granny, granddad, both of them come home and visit us, have a cup of tea, and then go back. So I'm really very happy that we have installed this lift.